Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain, SEBI registered research analyst, and I keep posting my research to you all. And today I have come up with one stock, right? So I'm going to talk about all the details about this stock, but before that, I would like to talk about a stock, Nureka, that I have given about few months back, and the stock has massively gone down, right? So what I want to suggest you, even if I give a research to you, always remember that it's your money that you are putting in, right? So you have to work on your risk and reward ratio. If the risk doesn't suit you, right, with your rewards, then just exit your trade. Because I keep giving you so many other trades. Like out of hundreds of trade, there is a possibility that one trade may not work, right? Or things go against it. So just exit, book your loss, come out of it, and take the new position and recover the loss, right? That's the best way to go about it. In case you haven't exited, I would suggest now, Nureka, if you have not exited, you continue holding. That's what I can suggest. Or if you want to exit because it's gone pretty much down, and it can happen with any analyst, right? But anyway, I'll be keep giving you some more trades which will help you recover whatever loss that you have had in Nureka, right? So आजकल results का season है. Nowadays results are being declared. A lot of companies are producing very good results. Abhi recently there was result produced by Gokex, Gokul Exports. It was just outstanding, and we traded in Gokul Exports yesterday in our premium channel, and we really, like from our entry level, which is about 418, it straight away went to 475. Before I go on there, it's very important for you to know that there could be a parallel source of income in stock market, right? Join us in the live market. Come to our channel, Telegram channel. The link you will find in the description box. Come to our channel, and or maybe contact with people, the phone numbers given on there, and take the link of Telegram channel. You will find our live trading sessions. We almost conduct live trading session every day. Join us there and make some 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, whatever you can. These are going to be scalping trades, right? And we provide our intraday research in those live trading sessions. So if you make money, please invite more friends to join us live, and we can grow together and make money together, right? तो चलते हैं आज की रिसर्च के ऊपर. You can follow me on Twitter, you can follow me on YouTube, you can follow me on Telegram. On Telegram, I'm super active since morning. So let me take you to my research. First, I'm going to show you the graph, and I'm not going to ask you anything, but I will ask what do you think about the graph? How do you find the graph? Do you feel it appealing? Do you feel that stock looks good to you? It's going to be, I'm going to show you its weekly graph. I'm going to show you its daily graph. Please do write in the comment box, how do you find the stock? Then I'm going to discuss its results, which have been just declared recently, and how I find the company attractive, right? Please hear me out till the end, because until you understand why the company looks attractive to me, only reading price will not help you. So let's go to the graph and talk about it. Here I am on TradingView platform, and this is how the graph looks in weekly time frame, right? Have a look at the graph. Beautiful round bottom, and it is standing on a good crucial level of 551 or 552. On a weekly graph also, the graph is pretty much very nice. In a shorter time frame, if you see, broadly it's cup and handle, whatever you name you want to give it, head and shoulder, double bottom, and then shoulders, whatever you want to call it. Above 550 or 551, I'm expecting a breakout to come in this particular stock, right? Now tell me, what do you feel about this price action? I want to hear from you in everything. Like, for example, what I want to hear from you, what do you see here? What do you see here? And what do you see here, right? What is your perception about the price? Then what do you see here? Like, what is price telling you? That is what I want, an information. I want to hear from you all, right? What is the price telling you? I'm not going to go into all that detail, right? I request everyone who's watching my video to please write it in the comment box, right? What does price indicate to you, right? There is some information price is giving to you, right? Now that information we're going to decipher through its results, right? I'm going to tell you the name once we reach to the screener.in. Once we read out the results, then I'm going to give you the name of the company. So here we come. This is the company. A P ratio is only 6.25. Market cap is 1280 crores. Current price is 543. Book value is 380. ROC is 3.89%. Very, very good. ROE is about zero point 0.7. But let's come down and see. The pros are companies reduce debt, companies expected to give good quarter, but the important points that are negative is basically company has delivered poor sales growth and company has low return on equity for the last 3 years. So knowing that last 3 years were very difficult for most of the company, it's okay, right? Let's come down. The sales have grown from 2019 to 2021. The sales have definitely grown, and operating profit margins one time used to be 13% and now it's about 12%, which is fine. Let's look into the expenses and operating profits, which have been growing on a consistent basis, and operating profit margins are at 12%, right? Now, some more things that I want to show you, that the borrowings they had in 2010 about 2,140 crores. At this point of time, they are left with only 884 crores of borrowings, and whereas reserves have also grown to 871 crores, right? And if I look into the cash from operating activity, there has been a growth after 2018, almost like 166 crore to 263 crores to 231, and now 320 crores in March 2021. Now, some parts that I want your attention at, they are basically repaying the borrowings, right? They are basically repayment of borrowings. They're doing repayment of borrowings, about 444 crores, right? They are repaid in 2020 and 21. They have repaid about 247 crores, and some amount of interest also they have paid, right? So net cash flow has turned from zero to negative to positive, right? Which is fine. ROCE at one point used to be about 20%, 15%, 11%, but now it has reduced 4%, right? And as far as the promoters holding is concerned, it has grown, it is consistent at about 53.16. FIIs have grown their holdings in the last quarters, right? 2021, 2%, then 3%, December 2021 and March 2022, it's about 3.6%, right? Which is like, it shows that FII's interest is increasing in this particular company, right? So this is how the company looks. And now the company's name, it is RSWM, right? RSWM Limited, which have had the results recently, and they've shown extremely good results, right? They have declared the results and the results have been very, very good. So the company is RSWM, right? Now let's go and see what does this company exactly do, right? So basically they are into yarns. They make yarn for denims, and they are into denim yarns. They are into yarns for basically yarn matlab dyed yarn, grade yarn and melange yarn. So the company RSWM is actually into producing yarn. They produce yarn for different kind of clothes. They export the yarn. They make denim yarn. They are manufacturer, one of the biggest manufacturer of denim yarns. They make knitted fabrics. And what is RSWM's edge? So yarns that bring a distinctive range of functional, suitable and premium character of your garment, right? So basically they are into making all these yarns, for different clothes. They make the fiber or the thread that is used, right? And that is their edge. They are like in spinning. They spin the yarn and give it to the manufacturers, right? Very, very niche. It requires a lot of money to make such kind of companies, and that is why the moat is pretty high, right? You must have heard about Nitin Spinners. Let me take you here. We have heard about different companies, which are like Vardhman Textile, Arvind Limited, Indo Cotton Industries, Nitin Spinners, Ambika Cotton. So there are few companies, but what is so attractive about this company is their PE value, which is very, very reasonable, and they are kind of into a turnaround story, right? They're kind of into a turnaround story. Their operating profit margins are becoming slightly better, one, and then net cash flow from zero to negative to positive, right? And they're repaying the debts that make the company a very promising one. And on top of it, right, good results on top of it, what we see is a beautiful pattern and a weekly on a daily graph and on the weekly graph. The chart looks pretty promising. And what could be my stop loss and what would be my target, right? So I will keep on accumulating this stock. If it goes down to 400, I'll be buying it at the current price, which is about 550. Keep on accumulating till 400, and our targets are going to be, for this company, at least 900 is going to be my target, right? And the holding period is going to be somewhere around 6 months. So if the breakout comes, we can definitely expect huge move from 550 to 900, maybe in a couple of months, because the results that they've produced is pretty good. And the breakout that is coming is almost like a multi-year breakout, right? This is a weekly graph, right? So if the breakout comes at this place, that is going to be after almost like January. Now the breakout is going to be there, and I am expecting the breakout to be a very powerful breakout, and my target is going to be 900, but the holding period is going to be about 6 months. Now in this holding period, there is a possibility that stock may go down for some time, for some duration, but don't get hassled. If you select a good stock, like for example, I'll show you an example of Apcotex Industries, right? We have given a buy above this place here, right here. But before, suppose we had entered at this place, it went down, and look at the blast that it has given after that. Our entry was at 386, it made a high of 625. So if your company selection is good, if company's fundamentals are good, price is telling you something, be assured that your money will not become zero. The cases like Nureka will not happen every day, right? So with this, I'm signing off. Take care. See you in the live market. Join me on Telegram with my team. We'll give you best of trades in the live market and keep making money, keep building the community called Stock Pro. We'll together grow and make huge amount of money. Take care. Bye bye. See you.